The open house sign-in form for your open houses, yours or borrowed, is a phenomenal way to generate leads at the open house and put them in your open house marketing funnel to engage them, both the homeowners and home buyers, after the open house is over with. So we have an online, fully customizable, reorder the questions, customize the questions, add new questions. There's an online and a print version, so you can use this on a laptop, on a tablet, on a phone. You got the print version as well. And again, all the questions are customizable. And the greatest thing about this is, maybe not the greatest thing, but once they fill it out, there's an email, again, fully editable, that will go out afterwards. And it's going to include the 6 things to check before buying a home so that you got more great engagement with these people. It will include your listings to leads, lead gen signature, so they can get a home value, see your client reviews. And so this is what the PDF guide looks like. So that email will go out automatically once they either fill out the online form or they fill out the paper version, and then you enter them in afterwards. So they'll get the PDF guide that is fully branded to you. They will have access to your home value landing page via the signature, the client review website via the signature. So all your Google reviews, your Zillow, your testimonial tree, any review from any place, those 3 are automated, but you can add custom reviews as well, even video reviews. So look at this, absolutely awesome. Your 100-point home marketing plan, a client review video right there, all the other PDF guides. So a lot of great ways to generate and engage leads at your open house with the open house sign-in form, either online or the print version. So in listings to leads, real quickly before we get to that, let me show you our open house mastery training. If you click on the training tab right here, it'll go to our training page, and click on presentations right here in the kind of middle left. And there's a tab, Open House Mastery. And this presentation, if you're a trainer, a coach, a lender, a broker, this would be a great thing to train on. If you're an agent looking to generate more leads at the open house and turn your open house into an event, this is the presentation that you want. This will walk you through the scripts, the handouts, everything you need to make sure that open house is going to be an event that people remember, and that you're going to engage more of the homeowners that come through, more of the home buyers that come through, and definitely get a lot more listings. So for the open house sign-in form, every listing has it automatically. So just in case you didn't set an open house, you got to go over there and do something. You can have this sign-in form at all times. So go to listings and just click on the green market listing button. And I got my open house. So I'll click green market listing. And there is a button here called open house sign-in form. And the sign-in form is ready to go. You don't need to do anything. So you'll see an online version, the print version, and there's even a QR code. So I'll just mention here, you can all rearrange them. You can turn questions on or off. You can delete them. Quite a few of them you can edit, especially the ones that you add. So you can click edit, and you can either, again, edit the answers, edit the question, add answers. If I want to add a new question, click there, and I might say, do you have a signed broker's agreement? Options: yes, no, and not sure. Just to have a couple of things in there. So you can say I can reorder them, and then there it is. Do you have a signed broker's agreement? Let's say I want to move that closer to the top. Great. Now I can look at the online version. And there we go. Do you have a signed broker's agreement? No, yes, not sure. Here's the print version. And you're going to see the print version is the same as the online version. So here we go, the print version. Do you have a signed broker's agreement? Right there. So absolutely awesome. Now, when they fill that out, you will get the lead sent to you automatically. Hopefully it'll go to your CRM. It'll go to listings to leads. We got the email follow-up, so we can make sure that they're going to get followed up with automatically, either through listings to leads or your CRM. And after the open house, make sure you call back all the leads. Make sure you get them into follow-up. And if you have any questions on how to use this open house sign-in form, let us know. Let the mastermind group know. We'll help you out in there, or let our support team know. We'll talk to you soon.